Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. But you know what, man? Good news. And the good news is that my cookbook will be coming out very soon, guys. This new cookbook, which I'm going to be releasing, this one going to be having my new recipe on my YouTube channel, which is most of my fans were saying, can you put detoxing, how to lose weight inside of this new cookbook, which I'm doing my best to do that also. We want to release the book by now and June, July, the least. If it doesn't release by July, I know it's gonna be coming out for Christmas because there's Christmas recipe inside of it. We got Mother's Day recipe inside of the book. We got also we got like a section of the book where it's going to, you know what I mean, like if you're doing a function and you're doing a birthday party and all this. We got a wedding page also inside of the cookbook. So there's a few activity in the book which you guys, you will love it. Honestly, it's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be amazing. A lot of people brought my first book, this one right here, which I said a few copy well. I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for supporting Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for your time, and also thank you so much for leaving your comments, and also subscribe to the channel and watching the video, which is very important. Remember, check out my other channel, Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, guys. It's going on really well, and you know what I mean, subscribe is growing so fast on that channel, and you know what I mean, it's just amazing. We got a lot of stuff coming up. We got a lot of things. We got a lot new recipe, a lot of things that keep happening day by day. And as I said, I represent Jamaica, and I will give you the best recipe. And also one thing, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and don't forget 500 likes, 500 comments. I will be happy. 2 cookbook will be given away for Mother's Day. Look forward for that one. 2 mothers will receive my cookbook, and I will definitely sign it and send it first class in the post when we pick out the 2 person out of the video, out of the comments box. So guys, remember, comments is very important, and I mean, and you know what I mean, thank you so much for your time, and follow me, as I said, on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We are there for you. We love you, and we want to say thank you for your support, thank you for your time, and it is amazing. My new cookbook will be releasing this year from Chef Ricardo. You don't go anywhere, watch the video. We got a lot more updates coming up.